All right, welcome back. Welcome back to a new week, Money Makers. And as always, we stay making you make money. This is called Humanpages AI, and basically you can take on different tasks like freelancing, um, gig work to be able to make money. And they have all different types of payment systems or payment that you could be able to make money. So they have a security review for a software system. They have a financial analyst, and obviously you do have to have some kind of experience with some of these gig jobs, but that's okay. You can always learn it on YouTube, Instagram, or anything that you just type in whatever skill you want to learn on YouTube and just learn it that way, and you can make money from that way available. Um, this is just I'm just you. One of the things about this, I can't post my real account because I just want to let you know that I made us $160, but I can't post a real account because it's a violation of the terms of agreement. And if you get caught or videotaping, recording your actual payment systems or methods that you use, you can get banned from the system. So we're just going to log into a actual another account here. That's not separate from mine. It's just so we're being transparent about that. And then the different payment methods that you can use. You can connect. Um, or create your own wallet. You have upfront, we have eRolls, we have all of the different payment methods that you can use to, or you can add your own personal payment method, PayPal, um, whatever type of payment method you want to add to it. Just go ahead and make sure you're adding it to it. Um, and I'm just telling you to boost your profile. Make sure that you're setting up all of the information that you need to set up to boost your profile, like your email, your LinkedIn, GitHub, all the different ways to prioritize your profile over other people, because it's basically whoever whoever the client like better, then they're going to select them. So you always want to make sure your profile is up to date. But again, these are all the job um, postings that you can, pretty much potentially get in and start making money from. So just make sure that your profile is up to date. All the information that is applicable to you, your skill set, what you bring to the table, and all of that good stuff. But please let me know. I'm going to pop up a payment proof to show you that I've gotten paid $160 from this particular one. So please do take your time. And they have available all the job different markets. So other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day. Bye now.